Oh!
Oh, what happened? Where is it? Well, we don't see all the things that we saw yesterday. And things we see today we may not see them tomorrow. There are some animals we won't be seeing them in future, as their species getting destroyed and gone missing in times. In this video we gonna see some of the endangered animals which gone missing in the recent days and some rare species that you won't have known that these animals really exists. The first one in our list comes the angel shark. The angel sharks are a group of sharks. They commonly inhabit sandy seabeds close to 150 meters in depth. Many species are now classified as critically endangered. Once they are common over large areas of the northeast Atlantic from Norway, Sweden, Morocco, and the Canary Islands, to the Mediterranean and Black Seas, there is now significant fishing pressure which has resulted in significant population declines. They are known to bury themselves in sandy or muddy environments during the day. They remain hidden for weeks until a desirable prey crosses their paths. At night, they take a more active approach and cruise on the bottom of the floor. Next in our list comes the bald ibis. The bald ibis is a migratory bird found in barren, semi-desert or rocky habitats, often close to running water. They size in 70 to 80 centimeters. It breeds colonially on coastal or mountain cliff ledges, where it typically lays 2 to 3 eggs in a stick nest, and feeds on lizards, insects, and other small animals. It was once widespread across the Middle East, Northern Africa, Southern and Central Europe. It disappeared from Europe over 300 years ago. It is currently listed as endangered species. Funnel-eared bat. They are slender bats with unusually long tails. They are small, at only 3.5 to 5.5 centimeters in length, with brown, gray, yellow, or reddish fur. Their tail is completely enclosed in the interfemoral membrane. They were found from Mexico to Brazil and the Caribbean islands. This species is likely to go extinct due to its limited dispersal range, human disturbance and loss of habitat. Elephant shrew. Elephant shrews are small insectivorous mammals with scaly tails, long snouts, and legs quite long for their size, which are used to move from one place to another like rabbits. They vary in size from about 10 to 30 centimeters. They are very active, they are difficult to trap and very seldom seen. It uses its nose to find prey such as insects, spiders, earthworms, and uses its tongue to flick small food into its mouth, much like anteater. Geometric tortoise. It has a very strong, black and yellow patterned carapace, used for defense against predators. The patterns are arranged in ray-like markings and help the tortoise blend in with its environment. This tortoise is very small, and a full-grown tortoise can only reach about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. The tortoise is one of the rarest species of tortoise and is critically endangered species. It is found in a very small section in the southwestern Cape of South Africa. Hainan gibbon. Hainan gibbon is a species monkey found only on Hainan Island in China. They are strictly arboreal and have never been seen on the ground. They are afraid of water and cannot swim. Their fur is quickly soaked. Gibbons are not dangerous to humans. With less than 30 individuals remaining, the Hainan gibbon is the world's rarest primate and one of the most threatened mammals. Hairy-nosed wombat. The species of wombat are heavily built, with large heads and short, powerful legs. They have strong claws to dig their burrows, where they live much of the time. They have bodies covered in soft, gray fur. Individuals can be 35 centimeters tall, up to 1 meter long and weigh up to 40 kilograms. Hairy-nosed wombat's nose is very important in its survival because it has very poor eyesight, so it must detect its food in the dark through smell. It is one of the rarest land mammals in the world and is critically endangered. Rock iguana. Rock iguanas most often inhabit in islands of West Indies. They are herbivores, consuming leaves, flowers, berries, and fruits from different plant species. Many rock iguanas are very tame, as well, and make good pets. Every species and subspecies of rock iguana is endangered. Spoon-billed sandpiper. Small bird with a large name. Spoon-billed sandpiper is a small wader which breeds in northeastern Russia and winters in Southeast Asia. The main threats to its survival are habitat loss on its breeding grounds and loss of tidal flats through its migratory and wintering range. This bird is critically endangered. Snub-nosed monkey. Snub-nosed monkeys are a group of Old World monkeys. They live in Asia, with a range covering southern China especially Tibet, Sichuan, Yunnan, and Guizhou as well as the northern parts of Myanmar. Snub-nosed monkeys inhabit mountain forests up to elevations of more than 4,000 meters. In the winter they move into the deeply secluded regions. Nelson's small-eared shrew. Another small creature with a large name in our list. Small-eared shrew is a group of relatively small shrews with short ears, which are usually not visible, and short tails, commonly called small-eared shrews. Small-eared shrew is considered to be one of the world's 100 most threatened species on the planet. Once thought extinct, they have been recently rediscovered in very small numbers. Sumatran rhinoceros. The Sumatran rhinoceros, also known as the hairy rhinoceros, is a rare member of the 5 extant species of rhinoceros. It is the most endangered of all rhinoceros species due to its rapid rate of decline. Because of poaching, numbers have decreased more than 70% over the last 20 years. There are now only less than 80 Sumatran rhinos left in the wild, and efforts are now being invested in captive breeding in an attempt to boost the population. Threetoed sloth. The three-toed sloths are tree-living mammals from Latin America. They are about the size of a small dog or a large cat, with the head and body. They also have short tails. They are agile swimmers. They are still slow in trees. This animal species is growing endangered as the cutting down of the red mangrove trees in which the three-toed sloth lives in. Here come the last one in our list. Vaquita. Vaquita, the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal, it is found only in Mexico's northern Gulf of California. Vaquita are often caught and drowned in gill nets used by illegal fishing operations in marine protected areas. The population has dropped drastically in the last few years. It is estimated only between 6 and 22 individuals remained alive in 2018. It is possible, though, that there are no more than 10 vaquitas left. In this video we knew 14 endangered animals. Let's hope we will try to save the other animals not to be listed in this list in future.